Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled egg gravy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and your preferred seasonings like salt and pepper. For the gravy base, have 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 1/2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth ready. This simple list ensures a delicious outcome. Now, let's prepare the star of our dish, the scrambled eggs. In a bowl, whisk your 6 eggs with 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper until well combined. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture and cook, stirring gently until the eggs are just set and beautifully fluffy. Avoid overcooking them. With our eggs ready, it's time to craft the rich gravy. In a separate saucepan, melt the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute to create a smooth roux. This step is crucial for flavor. Gradually pour in the 1 1/2 cups of broth, stirring continuously until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently fold your perfectly scrambled eggs into the warm, thickened gravy. Stir carefully to combine without breaking up the eggs too much. Taste and adjust the seasoning with additional salt and black pepper if needed. Serve this delightful scrambled egg gravy over biscuits, toast, or grits for a comforting meal. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.